Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your UPS My Choice account privacy permissions, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your UPS My Choice account privacy permissions, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the UPS My Choice login page. Enter your username and password in the provided fields. Click the login button to access your account. Once logged in, locate the profile option in the top menu. Click on Profile to open your account settings. Scroll down to the Privacy Settings section. Here, you will see the current settings for your privacy permissions. Review each option carefully to understand what information is shared. If you wish to make changes, click the Edit button next to the privacy permissions. Adjust the settings based on your preferences. Make sure to check or uncheck boxes as necessary for your privacy choices. Once you've completed your adjustments, look for the Save button. Click Save to ensure your new settings are applied. A confirmation message will appear, indicating your changes have been saved successfully. If you encounter any issues, refer to the UPS Help Center for further assistance. You have now successfully verified your privacy permissions for your UPS My Choice account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.